everyone, it's Forsythia with CactiOnWhite and welcome to my channel. Guess what? I got plant mail. If you want to see what I got in the mail, keep watching. All right guys, I've already opened the box up. And this is something that I got on eBay. It's actually a wish list plant. So I'm super excited about this unboxing. It came from SoCal Fat Plants. So that should give you an idea. Caudex, think Caudex. So let's go ahead and get this open. This will be a quick unboxing. I am working today, so I need to get back to work. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. All right. Okay, here it is. Let's get it out. Leaves look a little yellow, but that's okay. I'm going to take it out so you guys can see it, the caudex, and how nice it is. So here you go. And I'll dust this off so you guys can see. And I'll insert some pictures as well. But here it is. This is a Pelargonium triste. So it has a very, very nice caudex. And I will do a little dusting. And pack. These are, I use makeup brushes for my plants. And I get them from like the dollar store. So $1. And I use it to brush off the plants. But anyway, this is the plant. This is a Pelargonium triste. And it is a wish list plant. There is some yellowing here, which is no big deal. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this beauty potted up this weekend. But I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. It's a caudex. I love Pelargoniums. And they do have several that are caudex, and this is one of them, the triste. So, Pelargonium triste. All right, guys, that's it. Gonna close the video out. I hope you enjoyed seeing my new caudex. If you like these types of videos, give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done that already. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.